Welcome to Dr. Suraj Tutorials. Hope everyone is doing good in this hard times of COVID-19 pandemic. Today I will tell you how to get Nadra COVID-19 vaccination certificate from Nadra official website in Pakistan. If you want to travel abroad or for any purposes, if you want to seek admission in any foreign university, or if you are planning to visit outside abroad or foreign for job purposes, then vaccination certificate may be a plus point for you, or maybe it may be a requirement in near future. So for getting vaccination certificate, the procedure is very easy. You can get the vaccination certificate from the comfort of your home, and for that you must have a valid bank credit card or debit card, which must be Visa or MasterCard. So go to the website, Nadra Pakistan official website, nims.nadra.gov.pk. After opening up this website, write your CNIC number here. Then write the CNIC issuance date. Then write your CNIC issuance date. And then write this code in the box for verification purposes, and then press this verification button, and after that step 2 will appear, in which you have to write your CNIC number again, and you have to write your full name according to your CNIC and passport, and if you're foreigner or overseas Pakistani, then mention your passport number, and then select your nationality and then verify it. After it, there will be a third step. Third step is about payment and its terms and condition, which you will have to accept. For payment terms and condition, just click this box, mark this box, and accept and continue. Make sure the fee of the certificate is 100 rupees, which is non-refundable, and then you have to put your card details. The card must be activated. Make sure the card must be activated for e-commerce purposes from the bank, or you may also activate it from the particular bank helpline or application, online digital application. Just enter your card number here, and then enter your CVC code. CVC code is which mostly it is written at the back side of your card. It is a then enter your card expiry month and then year, then enter your first name, then enter your last name, and then enter your email address. Make sure your email address must be correct or active, and then select country, and then select your state, then select your city, then enter your postal code. If you do not know, you may also Google it. Then enter your address, street, then confirm and pay. After it, the receipt will be generated. A card amount will be deducted from your particular bank card. Then you will be provided with tracking ID, amount, and then payment method. You will have a receipt, digital receipt, and then it is written mentioned here, you have successfully paid for your application. Click here to print receipt. You can also print it or keep it for your record. Then press continue. That is step 4, which is review info. Make sure you must verify your CNIC number and passport and your full name according to your CNIC and passport, and then nationality. After verification, there is a step 5, in which you can download your certificate by pressing this button, and the certificate will appear like this, which is Ministry of National Health Services Regulation and Coordination, Government of Pakistan. This is the official certificate, which is the certificate number is also mentioned here, and this is a QR code, which is you can also scan to track it. It is an official, and there is your full name is written here. Make sure you must verify your details. If there is any mistake or any error, you may also repeat this process again to correct it or rectify it. Naturally, make sure the name of the hospital must be correct from where you got the doses, and then that's it. This was the method. This is how you can obtain the vaccination certificate from the comfort of your home. And there is also a second procedure, or an alternate procedure, in which there are selected centers in big cities of Pakistan, in major cities of Pakistan, where there are Nadra centers from where you can also obtain vaccination certificate. I will attach this link for getting online certificate in the description box. Make sure to check it. For that, see you soon later.